welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to avoid blurry images when you're done designing in Canva. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to design a bundle tag, and what you see me doing right now is imputing the size that I want this bundle tag to come out in. I'm using the business card option. Although Canva does not let you design, I mean, it doesn't have a template in the vertical version. They only have business cards in horizontal version, which is the reason why I had to enter my own custom size. So of course it lets you do that, which is a great idea. So I'm going to quickly add on my logo. I'm going to add on shapes. I'm going to be moving things around. So if you don't know how to design a bundle tag, you can pretty much use this idea. I'm going to be showing you what I do, how I do it. Of course, I'm not going to be going into an in-depth tutorial because this video is to show you how to avoid blurry images. But I believe a lot of people already have videos put up on how to make bundle tags. So what you're going to see me do is add things on here, add Instagram logo, add Facebook logo, move things around, adjust this until the design is right where I want it to be. So what you see me doing right now is just resizing things and moving my shapes around. I'm going to be adding the Instagram logo, the Facebook logo. I'm going to resize those also. And it's amazing what you can design on Canva because this app is completely free. Of course, I'm using the free version. They do have an upgrade version that you can pay for, but the free version gets the job done. It gets me, where I want to be. I designed a lot of things on here. My flyer, my bundle tags that I previously already have was designed on Canva, and it worked out really fine. Of course, I printed it on Vistaprint because they have the 500 business cards for $9.99, which is amazing. So once I'm done designing this, I'm going to show you how I download to avoid my images being blurry. So right now I'm going to be adding text onto this bundle tag, and we are almost right where we want it to be. I love Canva. How can you not? Because Canva just teaches you a whole lot, and if you're more of like a DIY person, this is the perfect app for you to use because you can design so much on here. So I'm almost done. I'm just adding stuff, moving stuff around. Now if you don't know how to design a bundle tag, this is one right here. You can pretty much follow what I just did and you can create your own custom bundle tags, and this saves you a whole bunch of money. So we're pretty much almost right where we want to be. We're almost done, and then once we're done, I'm going to be showing you exactly what options I choose when I download to avoid my images from being blurry. And I'm going to be editing this images. I'm going to be editing these things that I post on there to make it brighter. I'm going to be filtering it to make it brighter, which is what you see me doing right now. And we're almost there. Now what you want to do is you want to sort of name this design so that when you save it, you can easily find it on your computer. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the PDF print option, and then you click on download. That's all you need to do. Just click on the PDF print option, click on download. Your image or your design downloads and it saves onto your computer or on your phone. Now what you're going to see me do is I'm going to be opening a brand new window because quite frankly, this window is pretty filled up. So I'm going to go ahead and open a brand new window that I'm going to be using to log on to Vistaprint. So once I click on that new tab, I'm going to impute vistaprint.com. It's going to load the website to me and for me, and then I can go on and start uploading my designs on there. So once Vistaprint pops up, it's going to take me directly onto business cards because I believe that was the last page I was on. But if you don't know how to get there, just click on business cards on the top left corner and then highlight business cards and click it again, and it takes you right there onto business cards. For me, I usually use the standard version. I click on the standard, I click on matte, and I click on standard corners. I don't add anything else because I believe if you add like the premium and all of that stuff, they charge you extra stuff, and if you want to pay for that, of course, but if you want to get like the discount version, which is like $9.99, you want to stick to standard, matte, and standard when you're clicking your options. Now I'm going to click on start designing. Once I click on that, it's going to take me into the next page, and I'm going to click on the upload it option. That's the option that lets you upload your own image. And of course, you can also design a business card on Vistaprint. They let you do that too, and I believe it's free. So I'm going to click on my vertical option because that's where my business card was designed in. I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to go onto the page and go upload my image. Now what you want to do is you're going to click on that, and you can click on my computer, which is going to take you to where you have your images saved. Now I'm going to be clicking on the PDF option that I downloaded from Canva. Once I click on that, it's going to upload onto Vistaprint. And I want you to see that once this image is done uploading, it's not going to be blurry because we chose the PDF print option. So that option just automatically cancels out your images being blurry. Your image is going to look exactly like it looked when you was on Canva. And voila, that's what my image looks like. It looks exactly like it was on Canva. Nothing is blurry. My words are not blurry. The logo isn't blurry. And Vistaprint also lets you edit. You can crop and resize your business card. You can add some color onto it. You can pretty much do a lot on here too. So I'm just going to be adding some color just to show you, that you can actually add those options on here. So I don't need to add color to my design because my design is already done perfectly on Canva, but I'm just going to click those just so you can see it. Now, once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now, this is the first way I do it if I want to upload on Vistaprint. So I'm going to be showing you another way that you can also upload on Vistaprint that's going to make your image not be blurry. So once I'm done doing this front page, I'm going to be showing you how I do that by using the back side of this business card. So now you can click on next. This is a preview of what my image looks like, and it's perfect for me. If I wanted to print this, I can just go ahead and click next, and I would pay for this, and then I'm done printing. So I'm going to use the back side to show you how I design upload on here without having it blurry. So now I'm going to open another tab. I'm going to type in convert PDF to JPG. That's the format that I'm going to be putting this image in. So once I click that, a whole different types of websites are going to pop up. You can just pretty much choose one of these. They all going to get the job done anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be clicking on the first one that pops up, and you can see it shows you how to, click on the choose a PDF file. You're going to go look for that PDF file that you downloaded from Canva. Once you click on that, it's going to automatically upload onto that website. And once my image is uploaded onto that website, I'm going to click on convert PDF to JPG. Now, once that conversion is completely done, all I have to do now is click on download. Once I click on download, this image is going to download onto my computer. Now you can see it on the bottom left corner that's my image and it's ready. Now I'm going to go back to Vistaprint. I'm going to click on edit that back side so I can upload that image that I just converted. So once this option pops up, you're going to click on full color. That's what you need to click on to be able to upload this image on there. So once I do that, I'm going to go find that image that I just downloaded from that website. And once my image comes up on here and it's, it shows up on here, I'm going to drag it and paste it onto that backside of the business card. Once my image completely uploads on there, you're going to see that this image is going to look exactly like the first one did. So once this is completely uploaded onto Vistaprint, you're going to see what this image looks like. So here we go. Look at that. It looks exactly like if I uploaded the PDF option without, converting it first. So once this is done, I'm going to click on next, and it's going to take us back to that preview page. And there we go. You can see that both images look exactly the same. The first one was the PDF option. The second one is the JPG option, and they look exactly the same. Thank you for watching. What up?